In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and uninstall Adobe Photoshop Express completely for free on your Windows 11 computer. So this is actually going to be a really easy tutorial. All you need to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Microsoft Store, and then click on the Microsoft Store. Using the search box at the top, we're just going to type in Photoshop Express and hit enter. And then from here, you should be able to see the Adobe Photoshop Express application. For me, it's the second one in the list. So all we're going to do is just click on this like so, and then you need to click the big blue Get button. Now just wait a few minutes while that downloads and installs to your device. Once it's finished, you can simply open up the application, click on Next, press Next again, Next, Next, and press Get Started. And now in order to use this application, you'll need to go and create a free account. Now the easiest way to do that is just to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to click Continue with Google. And now as long as you have a Google account, you can just select your Google profile, click on Continue, and then press Open Adobe Photoshop Express. Click on Continue, and just like that, we've now downloaded Adobe Photoshop Express completely for free. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.